boy. Well, it's not fun if there's no check engine lights, right? Hey, how are you? Didn't see you there. Let's try that again. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I really told me not to use this mode, but I think it's pretty sick. Honestly, let me know what you guys think. Live focus mode on the Samsung. Yeah, I have a Samsung. I understand if you want to leave now. That's alright, but if not, stick around. We got a couple cool things for this video. We got some fog lights to put in. We got some, what else do we got? We're wrapping the hood, so that's not going to be an ugly gray. So some cool little things. We button up a couple little things here and there, give it a freshen up the engine a little bit. It's going to be like a little satisfying video to watch. Got some little things going on. We got some little things. Welcome back to another video. I already said that. Hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's get it rolling. Check it out.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
That's the hood all wrapped. I think it looks really good. I think it came out awesome. It's so funny because it's a gloss black, so it matches up pretty decent, honestly. Obviously there's no metallic in it, but show you guys up close what I'm talking about. Non-metallic wrap, metallic paint. So for now, I think it looks sweet. All right, guys, we just got back from the Ford dealership. Picked up this stupid little part. It was way overpriced. So we're gonna wrap it black, and we're gonna throw it on there. We're gonna put some 3M glue on these little side skirts and secure this in. I took the tape off, and it seems to be holding for now. It's a little bit better. It's not flapping in the wind anymore, so that's good. So I was doing the same thing, so just getting these little things secured like this, you know, button up little things makes a big difference all around. So 2 more little things out of the way. Oh boy. Well, it's not fun if there's no check engine lights, right? Going to get food, lost boost, and check engine light came on, so I gotta go pick up a scanner, and we'll see what the heck is wrong with this thing. I gotta take this little cream puff. Alright guys, I got back from AutoZone. Got this little OBD2 scanner, and it connects to my phone and reads me the code, so I won't be able to show you what's coming up, but I'll update you once I figure out what this thing is saying. So I was doing some research on it, and basically what I found so far is just get under there and check out and see if there's anything that scratched the wiring to the wastegate solenoid. I got a code, I think it was P0 something 246, something like that. Wastegate solenoid malfunction. I also haven't checked or lifted this car up yet, so any new damage or anything. I saw some of the covers were damaged, pretty frayed. All right, car's up, jack stands on. Let's see what we can find. Around here, in this area, generally. Let's see if we can find that. There's the turbo right there. Blow off valve spacer. Maybe that's throwing a code. I doubt it though. Alright guys, so we're still figuring this out. The boost solenoid, which is right here. Let me take it off. This boost solenoid right here, some people say that this could be bad, or the actual wastegate on the turbo could be bad, but it's hard to tell from here at least. I don't really see anything. I guess we'll clear the codes and see if it comes back, and if it does come back, I think they were saying that that's most likely a wiring issue. It doesn't look like it's frayed enough to give it a problem. But some people were saying that their wires were frayed. I don't see that on mine. Alright guys, so we cleared the code. So let's see if it's building boost. Yeah, it's building boost again. We'll see if the check engine light comes back on. I guess we'll just play it by ear from now. So I'm building boost, check engine light's off. So until we get an access port, we can't really see how much boost we're pushing. But I know it peaks at like 20. But for now, it's running fine. Building boost again. So nice little mod to do. Just picked up a couple of these. I think there's like 6 of them in my car, front and back. It's gonna look 10 times better. Although I don't think I'll have it before and after, so you have to take my word. Alright, so we got all the lights disassembled here. It's kind of ridiculous that you kind of have to take the whole housing apart just to get to that bulb. Alright. Wait for it. Oh yeah. LED. Little antenna I put on my SE. I swapped them over. Put the stock one back on the SE. We got a new air filter and some spark plugs to throw in. Give it a little tune up. And it's going into a local shop to go up on a lift because I don't have a lift, and he's gonna check out a lot of the stuff underneath for me and kind of give me an overview. It's only like $30, so I figured why not, for good measure. So let's throw this air filter and these spark plugs in. Honestly. Well, let's throw the new one in anyways. Next up, some Densos. Some Iridium Denso spark plugs. Gotta get a new one of these too. Anyone got one for me? I'll give you 20 bucks. Alright guys, I just had a had a poop my pants moment. I know it's just the next clip for you, but it's been like, I don't know, maybe an hour trying to get these stupid things out. So the first one, oh thank God. Wow, look at that. Holy toast. First one all the way on the left, I thought I stripped it or something because I was trying to get it out and it was really tough in there. And it's like big time corroded for some reason. Super hard time getting it out. And then I got a socket stuck in there, so I called the shop. I got the socket out, and then I called the shop and I'm like, you know, maybe it's just worth it for them to do it. 50 bucks. He's like, yeah, 200 bucks, 115 bucks in labor and like 70 bucks for spark plugs. So I got my Iridiums here and I'm gonna do the labor for free. So once he said 200 bucks, that gave me the motivation to figure it out. We're gonna throw these babies in finally, get the rest of them out, and finish this stupid little job. It's always this dumb little tasks that freak you out or like take forever. Boom, just like that. Just throw them in. So, alright, cool, on to the next thing. Let's open these babies up and see if we can throw these in. And the glass housing is shattered, and on this one.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Two. Boom. Check that out. Yellow fog. It's gonna look so nice. Oh man, check that out. Nice and neat. There we go. Now, tighten that up. Those are all tight. Let's plug it in. This one, speared out or something, but the bulb is still here and it still works, so that's a good sign. Easy access. Fender liner is literally shot. It's new versus old. Man, look at that. Isn't that a nice one? We got the bolts in. Let's tighten these. That's it. Oh man. Check that out. Heck yeah. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. Oh yeah, that's insane. Let's see how they look turned on. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Well, that's really upsetting. I checked the bulb, it's not the bulb. It's all plugged in, unplugged in, plugged it back in a couple times. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that problem is, so we gotta get that figured out, but at least it looks good when it's off. It's not a broken light. And man, that looks so sick. Check that out, what it's gonna look like when the other one works, but I don't know what the problem is. Guess we gotta get that figured out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today for what was it, 20 something minutes or something like that, and come back for the next one. We got some exciting new things for the next video for this car that we just picked up, so stay tuned for the next video. That'll be here next week, hopefully next Wednesday. Trying to stick to a schedule, guys, bear with me, but see you guys next week. Also, new intro and outro sequence on the way, so bear with me, alright? See ya.